Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying exactly which ports your MacBook Air has and selecting the matching cable or adapter. This avoids incompatibility. Next, plug the monitor into power and connect the cable to the monitor, then to your Mac. Once done, keep the Mac awake. Close the lid only after external display is active if you plan clamshell mode. Make sure the adapter sits fully inserted. Loose connections are the most common early problem. After the physical connection, you move to System Settings and open Displays so Mac OS can detect the monitor. Press Detect Displays if it doesn't appear automatically. You should then set Arrangement, dragging the blue boxes to match positions, and select the resolution and refresh rate that balance clarity and performance. If you want an extended desktop, make sure mirroring is off. Conversely, enable mirroring for identical screens. Once configured, keep an eye on color profile and night shift, which affect appearance. To finish, confirm the monitor is set to the correct input and that brightness isn't set to 0. Small settings often cause no image issues. If the picture is unstable or absent, restart your Mac with the monitor connected. Then reset NVRAM or SMC as a next step. If problems persist, swap the cable, use a different adapter, or try another monitor to isolate hardware faults. One troubleshooting tip. Test a known good USB-C Thunderbolt cable first. It's the quickest way to rule out connection faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.